Hey guys, welcome back. So today we got I think this is a 2023 Gv80. So customer complained while driving, shaking. The seat is shaking, the left, the right rear, right? It's shaking and making noise. So I didn't have to drive it because when you just do like this, you can hear that knocking, right? So what happened there is our dumper, this guy. So I ordered a new one. So here's our dumper. That's the part number there. So basically this part here, that metal rod there, came off or broken. So today, in this video, we're gonna be replacing that one. So we just have to, what we're gonna do is remove our headrest there. I think we remove our guides there, and this guy here, we're gonna flip it open because this is just clip in here, and we're just gonna be very careful when doing that. So since this guy is there a, oh man, so I have to go at the back first, release this guy, because I think there's a connection there, not a connection, but this piece here, this cloth there, there's a clamp or a, what do you call that, a tension there. So we're gonna remove that first. Since this electronic seat, can I move forward? Okay, good. So I can move forward, which is good. Okay, let's release that first. Okay. Oh, that's all the way in. Oh. Wow. Okay. Where is it? Oh wow. Oh my god. It's all the way in. Can I see it on the bottom of the seat? I hope so. No, there's no space there. Ay. Hi. So let me remove that first, and we're gonna do our removal process next. Okay, so I managed to remove that. You just need to be patient. But basically what I did was, this one is hooked like that. As you can see, the hook there. So I was just pushing my finger at the end of this guy to remove it from the hook, right? So next will be, let's remove our headrest first, and this guy. Okay, next is we're gonna locate the tabs here, and we're gonna release this guide. I think we just need this part here because it's just here, so we just need to like move this part of the ladder of the seat here on this side. So I just need to remove this part of the guide hole here for the headrest. Okay, so I'm just gonna remove the cover, this brown or maroon. So remove that, put it aside, and I think let's move this a little bit forward. That's it. Come on. Usually there should be a clip there, or a tab. Let me just double check that. I can't see anything. And it's just, I know the tab is just on the side. But, okay. There you go. So that's easy. So what I did was use a pry bar small screwdriver here, and then pry in between this plastic here and the metal part where this goes in, right? So you can just pull up. If it's hard removing that, you see this tab here, so that's gonna be, you're gonna push it in to pull out, right? And that should be it. So now I'm gonna fold this all the way down. Okay, so next is we're gonna remove this part here. So usually I just use this guy here, our trim tool. Just we're very careful. So I'm just prying the, I will show you later. Let me just pry all the way out in this guy. So I was just prying. When I move it a little bit, I use my screwdriver, again, flat screwdriver, pry this part here. Don't pry on the leather because that will damage. So now we're gonna move this up again because we're gonna flip this over. Just flip it slowly. I think I need to remove the other hole for our headrest. Let me remove that quick. Okay, I removed that other one there, so it's gonna be hiding here. Okay, so follow my hands here. This is our issue here. So that's just holding 10 mm. I'm just gonna squeeze my hand. Okay. So I'm gonna remove our top one first because it's more accessible. Now the bottom part will be the tight one. So I'm just gonna squeeze my hand in there. I think that's loose. Never mind my hand. Make sure when you use a quarter ratchet, make sure that that's a locking one, like that locks the socket. Yes, if the socket goes in there, that's it. And hold carefully the nut. There's our go. There's our nut. And now we can remove this guy. Hold the damper just in case the bottom part is broken too. There you go. So here's our broken part. I don't know why they didn't make this stronger, because the one that's holding the metal and the damper is just a rubber, small rubber. Look at that. Right? So this is a damper. I guess this is anti-vibration. And here's our new one. I'm gonna put this in now. Okay, let's secure the top one first. At least it will not move. Okay, now we're gonna squeeze our hand again for the bottom part. Okay, there you go. It's good. Okay, now we're just gonna tighten those two nuts. Do the top one first. Okay, now we're gonna do the bottom one. Okay, that's tight. Oh, okay. We'll put our cushion back like that. Let's lower this guy. And we put this back first like that. Okay. Okay. Now let's lower this guy. Now, next is we're gonna push this in, right? And we will hear a small click, meaning it went inside the groove. Like everything is locked. That's good, smooth and clean. Now we're gonna put our guide hole for our headrest. Gonna put this in first. That should just go one way. and just make sure. Okay, let's lock. Just to make sure you memorize, or when it came out, what's the position, right? Okay, put this in. Okay, and then we'll test it. Compared to the last time, there's more knocking there. This one, I don't hear the knocking, which we replaced with assembly, which is good. So there you go, guys. That's really a quick fix for that noise for the rear seat, especially on the right rear on this Gv80s. On the Gv70s or the other Genesis, I haven't seen one. There's a damper on it on the back seat, but on the Gv80s, this is my third vehicle to have that failure on that damper, and it's on the right side. I don't see that on the left side. I guess it's only for the right rear seat for that damper. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed that quick video. Well, not a quick video, I guess a quick fix for this. I hope you guys enjoyed that, and let me know what you guys think. And thanks again for dropping by to this channel, and see you next time.